It's definitely got a kick,
Yeah.
but it's like good flavor. Welcome back to another video. It's another beautiful sunny day here in San Jose del Cabo, Mexico, and today we're going to be doing a cooking class with Cooking Cabo.
We always love doing cooking classes when we're traveling. It's just an amazing experience, an amazing way to experience the local culture, and it's great to have some recipes to bring back home.
Yeah, it makes the best souvenir. Now we're gonna kick off the day at Mercado Municipal. We're meeting the chef to grab some ingredients and then go ahead and learn some of these local, authentic Mexican recipes. Join us along.
Okay, so my name is Francisco Morales. So
Francisco?
yes, Francisco. Okay, so I've been working for Cooking Cabo for about 3 years to 4 years. So but before we start with the tour, see, we also do the food tour. So enjoy, guys.
Hey guys, enjoy.
So today we're making mole. Mole, it's the sauce. We've been eating mole from the Aztec people, so thousands of years before.
Yeah.
Okay, so and mole, they have at least 30-35 different ingredients in it.
Wow.
So one of the main ingredients is the chocolate,
Okay.
or the cacao, the cocoa.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna make some mole today.
Nice.
Chicken mole.
Awesome. I'm so excited.
So most of the vegetables are produced here. We import it for inland Mexico.
Okay.
Because right here, this is all desert, so we can grow a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
Tomatillos, they always come in a ash like this. You have to feel it.
Yep.
Having a hard time here?
It's so good.
I love the salt on it.
I've never had it with salt. It's so good.
Ingredients in it,
Yeah.
so you will see.
Okay.
At least we're gonna do like a 30.
Oh,
Oh wow.
Okay?
Okay.
Mole dulce, that's sweet.
Sweet?
Yes, just like me. Sweet.
Yeah.
So that's all. That's the mole Oaxaca. This is one of the
Okay.
most famous.
Okay.
Okay?
so we're just stopping by at Tortilleria El Molito. I got that right, hopefully. To pick up some fresh tortillas for our mole that we'll be making. Excited for your cooking class?
Yes. I'm really excited. Got my apron on, I'm all ready to go.
My favorite is the one I can afford it. So. The free one.
Very much. I like that one too.
Yeah, but I like the reposados. That's pretty good. Yes.
Yeah. Before we started cooking, we made some margaritas. Fun fact we learned, margarita was made for the first time in Acapulco in 1948 by a lady named Margarita. We made hibiscus margaritas and they were so delicious. After a few sips of margarita, we were ready to start cooking. We started off making pico de gallo and guacamole. Before moving to the main course, Francisco took us to his backyard to test our spice tolerance.
It's called pico de pajarito. Chile pajarito.
Chile pajarito?
Sí.
Okay. Do I have to be scared?
No?
No?
If you eat a spicy things,
Okay.
Spicy. Okay.
I'll take this small one.
have a little bite. Just
Yeah,
have a little bite.
it's super tiny. They're good.
I'm making you do it first. Okay, no red face, you're all good?
They're spicy.
It's a little spicy, but they have flavor.
A good,
Yeah.
good kick?
Definitely have a kick, yeah?
Yeah?
Wanna try as well?
Sure.
There we go. It is your turn.
It's definitely got a kick,
Yeah?
but it's like good flavor.
Yeah?
Oh, so I think I definitely took a bigger bite than you.
No, you did not. Because my tongue is on fire. I'm just good at hiding
You
it.
feel it on your tongue first, and then it just like goes down your throat.
Oh yeah, it's sneaky.
It is sneaky. It's good though. It has a good flavor. For the main course, we made 2 different salsa verdes, one roasted and one boiled. We were shocked to find out that there are over 30 ingredients in mole. It's definitely not a dish you make every day. We had 7 different peppers and such a huge variety of ingredients like sesame seeds, almonds, chocolate, onion, plantain, and the list goes on and on. One of our favorite parts of the cooking class was making corn tortillas with the fresh dough we got earlier. It was so fun.
Oh my god, look at how much food we made today.
Have a feast!
Alright.
Well, first I want to try this. I've never tried this before. Fried cactus.
Yep. I'll let you try first. Yeah.
I don't even know how to describe it. Like,
Oh, it's really good.
yeah.
What is it similar to? I don't know.
I don't know.
It reminds me of the flavor.
I'm having a hard time resembling.
Just a little bit of salt on top, right?
This is really good. Who knew cactus would taste so good?
Definitely gonna make that again.
Oh my god. If we can find it in Canada.
I think I've seen it before.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think
I
so.
definitely want to do this.
Yeah.
Apparently also you can like fry it and put it in scrambled eggs for your breakfast. So I want to try that. Make it a little bit different.
Or in a green juice, right?
Yeah,
Like a
green juice
smoothie
too.
or something. Alright. Let's try the mole that we made.
And do we do a good job?
I think so. It's really good. It has a little bit of spice, but not too much. And chicken is super tender, moist.
Looks good.
Guys, we are back at our Airbnb. This cooking class was just amazing. Francisco just dropped us off at our Airbnb, and yeah, the whole experience, highly recommend it.
Yeah, guys, if you're in the Los Cabos region here in Mexico, definitely this is a must. It's truly a local, authentic experience. You learn how to cook authentic Mexican recipes in Francisco's kitchen, in his home. It is truly incredible. We had so much fun.
Cool.
I think my favorite was making homemade tortillas. That was really, really cool. Definitely check it out. We're gonna have the information down below in the description, so check them out if you're in the area. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell notification so you're aware of upcoming videos, because we have a lot more to show you in Baja California region.
Thanks for coming along today, and until next time.
Bye!